Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching. We just picked up a Craftsman Impact wrench. We're going to open the box and give you a full review on it. Let's get started. All right, DIYers, at the workstation now, and right in front of the bench is the Impact wrench kit. Again, Craftsman. And we are going to pick it up. This is what the box looks like. It's on the workbench now, and DIYers, we are rebuilding a boat. Here's all the schematics just to verify I'm putting everything together properly. There's the internal shaft U-joint, bearings, etc. Here's the upper unit. There's the lower unit. A lot going on with this build. However, again, the Impact wrench kit, this is a 1/2 inch right here and a 3-year warranty, as you can see in the upper right corner there. And there's what it looks like. Swap it to the back. And right away, again, the image of the Impact wrench. And starting with the very top, it's got a 300 foot per pound max torque. And this is for fast removal of large fasteners. And that's pretty standard nowadays. Variable speed for added control. Up to the upper left, it's got a hog ring anvil for easy socket changes. That has also become the norm on all of these Impact wrenches. And it's got an LED work light. And DIYers, in the event that you have not worked with an Impact wrench with an LED light, you will definitely love this. It is definitely an asset to the new design. In addition, it's got a VersaTrack compatibility clip here, and that is where it connects into. I'm not sure if this is inside the box. We will see here shortly. Again, a 1/2 inch, and here are a few additional specifications on it. Voltage is 20 volts max. Anvil size again is a 1/2 inch or 13 millimeters. Anvil type, the hog ring, we just talked about that. Max torque, 300 foot-pounds. RPM 0 to 1700, and IPM is 0 to 2500. The weight of the actual wrench kit is 4.7 pounds. And here's what's included. Let's go ahead and open it. Box is now open, and it looks like you just slide this out. There it is. I think I can see the charger in there. I've now shifted it out of the box. There's the box, and it comes with this little top cardboard piece. I'll set that aside. And you've got your instruction manual. And here everything is. There's your charger. There's your battery. A lot thicker than our 2.0 20-volt batteries that go on these drills, as well as the heat gun. And I'm going to pull this out of its packaging, and my favorite part about this is it is within the same exact family as these, which means all of these batteries are interchangeable with this new wrench kit. Here it is out of the packaging, and comparing the 4.0 battery to the 2.0, again, that came out of my flashlight there. There is a size difference, as you can see. A lot more power with the 4.0. And here it is in relation to my size hand. Well, that's nice. Let's go ahead and put the battery in. With the battery now connected. Very nice. And as you can see, there's the LED light, and that should stay on for about 15 seconds after the press of the trigger. Verify it works in both directions, both tightening and loosening. There's tightening, there's loosening. And this is a brushless design inside here. And what do you think? Let's go outside and put it to use. I went ahead and pulled out the Chevy Colorado, and I have already removed the front tires since I've owned it. However, the rear tires I have never removed in the entire 5 years I've owned the vehicle. And we will remove these T-screws or bolts here and pull off this cap. With the center cap now off, it does not look too bad. And since I have special lug nuts, I need a special socket. This is a 19 millimeter socket on the 1/2 inch portion. And I'll just slide that in there. And we're going to align this and see how it works. Very nice. I'll just do 3. And as you can see, not having removed any of these lug nuts in the entire 5 years I've owned it, those came off extremely quickly and efficiently with this awesome Craftsman Impact wrench. From here, I'll just tighten everything back up. And when it comes time to tightening the lug nuts back on, don't overdo it. Pretty awesome. I love it. Everything is now put back together, and again, DIYers, I'm very pleased with how that Impact wrench performed on those lug nuts. I have not removed this tire or any of those lug nuts in the entire 5 years I've owned it. And chances are, because this has been in a package at the store, the battery is probably not full charge. So once it's full charge, it will work even better. And I'm not sure if I showed you a full 360 of it. This right here actually shows us the battery life. And as you can see, it's only 1 light out of 3, and this is a push button. And again, that's not even half charged, and it worked that nicely. And turning it to the back side, and here's some additional information or specifications on it. And the grip itself is very nice, very comfortable, as well as the trigger. And again, that LED light comes on the second you engage the trigger and stays on for about 15 seconds after you release the trigger. Pretty nice. There it is. We love it. Got the truck started up. I'm going to take it for a test drive. DIYers, in the event that you want step-by-step guidance on installing a brand new tonneau cover, this is an X-Tang. Definitely check out the link scrolling above. Back inside, and again, I'm very pleased. And we just bought this not too long ago, and this is a Craftsman heat gun within the exact same family as what we just showed you. And we've got a full review on using this, and that link is down below in the comment section as well as description section. Definitely check it out. There's 1,000 different projects you can use that for. And before I forget, down in the comment section as well as description section are links to videos on how to assemble this 6-foot bench and the drawers, as well as install a vise. And DIYers, I almost just used it on the 91 Z24 Chevy Cavalier, but we're gonna hold off. And again, hopefully that helps. Do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. And there's the channel mascot, aka the DIY Raptor. Nice calm afternoon, as you can see with the flag.